Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're checking out the Ninja DT201 Foodi XL Pro Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. This 10-in-1 kitchen dynamo promises faster, crispier, and healthier cooking. Let's dive in and see what makes it a must-have for your kitchen. First up, this oven boasts true surround convection, offering up to 10x the convection power of a traditional oven. This means faster cooking times and perfectly crispy, juicy results. No more waiting around for your meals. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro is a jack-of-all-trades with its 10 cooking functions: air fry, whole roast, air roast, bake, dehydrate, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, and reheat. Whether you're craving crispy fries or a juicy roast, this oven's got you covered. With a 90-second preheat time and up to 30% faster cooking than traditional ovens, you'll have dinner on the table in no time. Perfect for those busy nights when time is of the essence. This oven is designed to feed a crowd with its 2-level cooking capability. It can handle a 5 pounds chicken, 2 12-inch pizzas, or even a 12 pounds turkey without the need for rotating. Talk about convenience. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat using the air fry function. Say goodbye to greasy fries and hello to guilt-free indulgence. The digital display handle is a game changer. It illuminates the optimal rack positions based on the selected function and freezes the settings when the door is open, preventing accidental changes. Get up to 30% crispier results compared to traditional convection ovens. Perfect for those who love their food with an extra crunch. This oven offers up to 50% more even baking results than leading countertop ovens. Ideal for all your baking needs, from cookies to casseroles. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro comes with everything you need: 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a roast tray, and a crumb tray. Plus, the 36-inch cord length gives you plenty of flexibility in your kitchen. Positive points: true surround convection for faster, crispier results. 10-in-1 versatility for endless cooking options. Quick 90-second preheat and faster cooking times. XL capacity perfect for large meals. Healthier air frying with up to 75% less fat. Digital display handle for ease of use. Includes multiple accessories for versatile cooking. Negative points: learning curve with the many functions and settings. Might be too large for very small kitchens. So, should you add the Ninja DT201 Foodi XL Pro to your kitchen? Absolutely. It's powerful, versatile, and efficient. Everything you need in a countertop oven. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just for yourself, this oven will make your life easier and your meals tastier. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.